I started to cough. For a DJ, coughing is death. So I said to Dave, get over to the pharmacy quick. And he comes back with some kitty medicine.
Not all cough medicines work the same.
I didn't even unwrap it. I said, get back there and get me something strong like codeine. And he brought some Vicks Formula 44.
Today's Formula 44, as effective as codeine, but non-narcotic. It starts to work the instant you swallow.
I took the Formula 44 and it worked.
Vicks Formula 44. So effective, it starts working the instant you swallow.
What a relief.